What's going on, everybody? I'm Jason, and this is the Rode Lavalier Go. Personally, I have been waiting for this lav mic ever since Tim, the Everything Man, dropped the news on this mic on his channel, so shout out to you, homie. So the Lavalier Go is designed to pair with the Rode Wireless Go system. Now, if you don't know what the Rode Wireless Go is, essentially it is a wireless microphone system for your talent or yourself. And the transmitter has a built-in microphone, but it also has a 3.5 millimeter TRS jack to plug in TRS microphones. Now, I'm not sure why Rode didn't release both of these products at the same time, but I was very curious about it and I had to pick one of these up. So for the entirety of this video, we're going to be talking directly into the lavalier mic. The first thing I'm going to do is test the sound quality, and you've been hearing sound ever since the video started. So I'm just going to say a few more words so that you can get an idea of what this microphone sounds like out of the box. For reference, I have the decibel setting to medium on the receiver, and I have the volume setting on my camera down to, I think, 3 dB, I think. So here we go. So I totally forgot to talk about the specs of the Lavalier Go, and if you want to read about those, all of that will be in the description box. Okay, so now we are in my car. The windows are up, and we're just driving just to hear the audio from the Rode Lavalier Go connected to the Wireless Go system. How does it sound? Solid Snake slithered slowly through the snow to subdue the soldiers on Shadow Moses Island. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Artificial amateurs aren't at all amazing. Analytically, I assault animate things. Okay, so now that you've heard what the Rode Lavalier Go sounds like, it's time to ask yourself whether or not you should buy it. And the answer I have for you is, well, it just depends. If you have the Rode Wireless Go system, you may be content with just using the transmitter and its built-in microphone, and that's okay. If you already have the Rode SmartLav Plus, then you don't need to buy the Rode Lavalier Go. You will need the TRRS to TRS adapter to use the SmartLav Plus with the Rode Wireless Go. If you go all in with the Rode Wireless Go and the Rode Lav Go, you're gonna be looking at about $300 before shipping and or taxes. Now that is a little pricey, but it is less expensive than the Sennheiser XSWD system, and it's way less expensive than the Pico mic system, which is about, I think, $450, and it's also sold out. $300 is, I think, fairly priced for this system, especially with the Type-C and the Type-C charging. It's small and it's hard to lose these things. All you gotta do is just throw them in a pouch and you're good. I think buying this lavalier mic will greatly depend upon whether or not you think it's worth the $100 price tag. Again, there are a lot of less expensive lavalier mics out there, but you're getting that Rode quality, you're getting that Rode all-in-one experience with this microphone. And to be honest, I think it sounds pretty good. Again, I haven't done any sort of editing to the audio. This is all out of the box. And if you work with the equalization in your editing software, I'm sure you can get pretty awesome audio with this setup. But that's gonna do it for me, guys. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the Lavalier Go. I'll try my best to answer them. Links for the Rode Wireless Go and the Rode Lavalier Go will be in the description. And as always, everybody, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.